Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching Gadget Match. Here at Gadget Match, our goal is to help you find the right device to match your needs, which was maybe even harder to do in 2017 with a barrage of really great budget smartphones. So if you're penny pinching but still want a solid phone, don't go anywhere. This video is for you. This is the Gadget Match list of best budget smartphones 2017 edition. Before we begin, a few disclaimers. Number one, I know it's 2018, but all these phones were released in 2017, but are all relatively new. Number two, we only included phones that are roughly $300 and below. And number three, we only included phones that we've reviewed. If you think there's a phone that belongs on this list, let us know by leaving us a message in the comments section. Let's get on with it. Let's kick things off with the Zenfone 4 Max. It doesn't get much more complete than this at $200 US. The device has everything you'd hope for in a budget-friendly phone, including a dual camera setup and a large 5000 mAh battery in a body that's surprisingly compact. It also received a cleaner version of Zen UI, so it's a pretty tough entry to kick out. When you talk about great value, you must include Vivo's Y53. Despite having no fingerprint sensor, its processor and build quality are among the things you used to find on phones twice the price of this handset. Truly a serious contender when you can't spend more than $150 US. Huawei once again confuses us with their elaborate naming scheme, but one thing is certain. The Nova 2i is easily one of the best smartphones you can find in this price range. A total of 4 cameras, 2 in front and 2 at the back, and a near borderless display are standout features at this level. Thanks to LG, we're seeing full vision on the Q6, and it's stunning at this price point. Along with it comes a power-efficient processor, high-grade aluminum frame, and triple card slots. Because everybody needs 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card. Putting stock Android on a Xiaomi handset is kind of a match made in heaven. Being the first of its kind, the Mi A1 offers consistent software updates, a surprisingly good dual camera setup, and the great battery life you'd expect from this brand. Also worth pointing out that of all the phones on this list, it's the only one that's been upgraded to Oreo. This is a phone for Xiaomi fans and Android purists alike. When you're after great-looking selfies without having to spend a premium, anything Oppo throws at the segment is a surefire bet. This season, the Oppo F5 makes the strongest statement for flawless portraits, while offering a near borderless display and solid overall specs. Although the Vivo V7 Plus came first and is considered more feature-packed, we think the V7 is a much better deal and deserves this spot. A 24-megapixel front-facing camera with Face Beauty 7.0 and a mid-range Snapdragon 450 processor make this pretty phone even hotter. And that was the Gadget Match list of best budget smartphones 2017 edition. What phone are you going out to buy? Let us know, leave us a message below. For more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, follow Gadget Match on social media, and make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.